It's your girl Lulu.
And you.
Welcome back to our ice cream shop. Today we're going to teach you a cool recipe of how to make mango popsicle.
Yeah.
So
what you need is a blender,
some mangoes
and some.
a little like stand. Also an adult to help you out. We know how to operate this thing, but we have some adults, literally. So of course we need them.
اوكي اليوم رح يعلمونا كيف نعمل ايس كريم بالمانجا. بس بتحتاجوا لخلاط وبتحتاجوا لمانجا اكيد مقشرة ومغسلة ونظيفة، واكيد بتحتاجوا للاعواد الايس كريم اللي هي بتشتروها يعني من اي محل تبع ادوات منزلية طبعا.
Like IKEA or the dollar store if you're in America. I am literally freaking out right now. I've never done this before.
Okay. Now we're gonna put on the lid.
Of course, we do not want this flying everywhere. Okay, now click the on button. Okay, so now we'll just wait for a couple minutes and stop. Okay, so yeah, we double checked and this is a-okay, so we're just gonna wait for a little bit. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna take these off because yeah, we're gonna be pouring in. Okay, so we blended in our awesome mango smoothie now. Now we're gonna be taking these, actually never mind. We're gonna continue mixing. Mix.
خلص بكفي.
Okay, that's enough.
يلا نبلش نحط المانجو اللي هو مانجو جوس. صار مانجو جوس. رح نحطه ب
Okay, this is nerve-wracking. It all depends.
I think it's not enough.
Yeah, that's enough. No.
ايوه ما بتفللوها على الاخر عشان تقدروا تدخلوا العودة.
Okay, now slowly. The first one was no experience, okay?
Mama.
Please do not judge, okay? I'm like 10 years old.
You are 10. You're done. Mama.
I thought I would probably fail at this, but actually not bad.
Didn't I do the last one?
No, we do not want it going into chaos mess.
Yeah, you have a little bit left.
We have a little bit of leftovers, which is awesome. So now, yeah, we made a mess, okay? It's fine. Now we're gonna pop in our little popsicle thingies and then put it on the fridge for 24 hours, I guess.
اوكي هلا بتاخذوهم بتحطوهم بالفريزر لمدة يوم كامل لحد ما يتجمدوا هيك ويصير عندكم ايس كريم كتير مفيدة وطيبة ولذيذة وبسيطة كمان للناس اللي ما بتحب تاكل اشياء تكون فيها سكريات واشياء مش مفيدة، فهاي تعتبر ايس كريم مفيدة يعني.
Yeah, because it has fruit, which is not artificial sweets. These are like natural, which is awesome. I think that's good. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in 24 hours. We'll do a taste test for you guys because we didn't actually test this out. So we'll see you guys in 24 hours. We're gonna taste them. Peace out. Bye.
24 hours later.
Okay guys, so it's been 24 hours or less. We do not know. But now let's check out our popsicles. Okay. Yeah. Oh wow, that looks very cool. There's lots of bubbles, which is very nice too.
اوكي بعد 24 ساعة او حتى اقل من 24 ساعة يمكن 15 ساعة هيك شيء صارت بوزن وهاي هي المثلجات يلي عملناها. دوقوها وخبرونا شو طعمكم. شو طعمها؟
Now if you lick it, not much taste will come, but if you bite a little bite. Oh, it's so good. That is so good. If you bite
هاي البوظة الهيلثي والصحية اللي بلا سكر وبس مجرد واحد ingredients او مقدار واحد عملناها.
You can also make it with other kinds. Not only
صح.
You can make rainbow also.
صح، ممكن تعملوها بأكثر من نوع من الفواكه أو حتى البسكويت، وإحنا إن شاء الله رح نرجع ننزل فيديوهات بأنواع تانية يعني بأنواع تانية، وكمان يعني فليفرز تانيين اللي هي نكهات جديدة.
And maybe
So we
rainbow
hope you
too.
enjoyed this video. If you did, please tell us down in the comments and like our video. So we'll see you guys next time with
And
another.
follow us.
Yeah, please follow us.
إذا عجبكم الفيديو بليز خبرونا وجربوها، وخبرونا كمان شو رأيكم وإيش بتحبوا تشوفوا، كمان ابعتوا لنا وخبرونا.
Yes. So, and we'll be back with another popsicle idea or another flavor of popsicles. Peace.